So we got this Cressida in today for a paint correction. As you can see, the paint is pretty oxidized. We tested the spot to make sure that there's enough paint on here to make shine again. So we're gonna go ahead and get into it. Here we go.
So got this car just a little minute ago. It did not get much care over the years, I can tell. And I was like, okay, let's find a nice little place to get it detailed in the area. Right here really brought it back up to the shine that it once was. Yeah, it's looking great.
So this is the end. This is the after on the Cressida and the paint correction. Got it back shining. Got all that oxidation out.